Okay, so there's a few ways you can actually remove your grips. You can slice it open, or you can use a heat gun, and I believe you can use an air gun to blow air right in between the grip and the actual bar. I'm gonna use a heat gun. Should be able to just kind of, you know, remove the glue. Will be easy to come out. Romans 12 verse 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good and pleasing and perfect. Okay, so the grip is out now. So the heating method did work. Just took a little longer than I thought. So I must run out of space. You didn't catch the whole thing. So basically, you heat it up, stuck a flat screwdriver in here, kind of worked my way around, and then it came out. Yeah, so the damage here was from fall crashing. This is not from using the heat gun. So I ended up getting super glue or crazy glue at the Rite Aid. This is like $3 and change. Local tax here. You can also try Gorilla Glue, but not really sure if you want to use something that's too strong. And unless you don't plan on trying to remove your handlebars for any reason, use whatever you want. But if you are planning on changing your handlebars, then I recommend use something that's gonna hold but not so strong where you're gonna lose the grips. So the thing with super glue, crazy glue, it sets in fairly quickly, so you don't have a lot of time to get it right. So you want to make sure you have everything set the way you want them. So I kind of have an idea where I want it. So when I open my throttle, open all the way up, I want it to be kind of like this. So basically I'm gonna have it in this way. It's not a lot in here, but that's because again it's super glue. When it comes to the clutch side, I mean, again, you just have to, it really isn't a big deal. You just have to put it where you want it. I want it like somewhere here. Put your glue on and put it back the same way. So I'm not gonna put that much, just gonna put a little bit. This is actually good enough. Drop some in here. Okay, so I'm wiring everything back up for the grips. I just put them on. They're holding pretty stiff here. They're not moving. It's only been like 40 minutes, which is good. I noticed that the right gets hotter than the left. It could be because the bike is not running. I'm just going off of the battery. So I will ride it to see if everything works perfectly fine. But as of now, I only noticed that one side is hot and the other. I didn't notice this before, so maybe that's how it always was. Don't know, but yeah.